Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with a very exciting and very well paying for what it is work from home job lead with the huge streaming company Tubi. Now, I have Tubi on my Fire TV. I also have the app downloaded on my phone. It is a free streaming and TV service that is available worldwide, and they are hiring a customer experience representative. So this is going to be in the customer service field, but even though it's in the customer service field, it is paying very high, higher than most general customer service positions. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below. But Tubi is a division of Fox Technology and Fox Networks, and they are looking for someone to listen to customer feedback, deliver insights, and improve the customer experience. You'll be taking your experience and your subject matter expert to provide creative and innovative solutions to solve the customer's complex operational or business challenges and opportunities. Of course, you'll log and track all incidents and requests from identification through resolution. You'll make notes in the system of everything you did, and you'll follow up with other support staff involved to ensure that incidences are resolved and requests are filled. You'll serve as a key point of contact for matters related to customer feedback and their pain points, and help guide other people outside of your area for the SOPs in the customer support division. Now, they are looking for someone who has 2 years of customer support or technical operations experience, someone who has the ability to effectively communicate across all levels of organization, someone who can be analytical and a problem solver, and they want someone who has experience working with software support tools, ticketing systems like Zendesk, or management systems like Notion, Shortcut, similar different products. Now, where Tubi really shines is what they are willing to pay. Now, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but it looks like pay starts around $68,000 a year and can go all the way up to $115,000 a year for a basic customer service position that does not require any kind of college degree. They are paying very, very well. Of course, also, they do provide basic benefit package, including health insurance, paid time off, all of the things. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.